First of all, let me thank you and congratulate you for the good work that you are trying to do to help the cause of finding out COVID-19 solutions. And I know that reasonably significant progress has been made in various fields, more particularly about development of indigenous antibody test kits and also indigenous RT-PCR kits. We have been doing an exemplary job, our laboratories and scientists in ICMR. They have ramped up their testing capacity to huge numbers, and right now if we have an indigenous kit, whether it is an antibody test kit or an RT-PCR kit, it's going to deliver rich dividends to the cause of COVID mitigation. Biotechnology is supporting a number of companies and is supporting research for vaccine development. We have come quite ahead in that direction also. You are also working on monoclonal antibodies, and also I know that some thousand genome sequencing activities on 1,000 viruses is also started in biotechnology, although similar activities are also happening in CSIR. So jointly all our scientists in the Science and Technology Ministry and in CSIR, biotechnology, DST, together they are going to contribute in a big way to help us and back the efforts of our doctors and our coronavirus working in the field to ensure that we can fight the battle against COVID successfully. As you all know, that steadily we are making significant progress, and when I talk to you today, 80 districts in India have not reported a fresh case since the last 7 days. 47 districts have not reported a case for the last 14 days. 39 districts have not reported a case for the last 21 days. And 17 districts have not reported a case for the last 28 days. Similarly, you know that when we assess the progress of the disease, how is it growing in the country, so there is a doubling rate, which is a very significant and powerful indicator of how the things are happening. So pre-lockdown, you know, our doubling rate of cases was around 3 days. But when I talk to you today, for the last 14 days, our doubling rate had been 8.7, and for the last 7 days it had been 10.2, and today for the last 3 days when we calculate, it is roughly 10.9. So I think that's a very, very significant progress.